What's up, guys? It's Dylan. I'm going to show you how to do some product research for Shopify, dropshipping, anything e-commerce related. So this technique, it basically shows you how to find ads that are currently running on Facebook and how to reverse engineer them. So yeah, to get started, you can visit the website fb-search.com, and you can write something like free plus shipping or shipping worldwide or 50% off. And then you can pull up videos, posts, photos, and links. Most times when you're doing like product research or looking to validate a product, you want to find like a video that goes viral, because that's how you can maximize on the traffic and the Facebook ads. So if you do free plus shipping and you press look up, um, just wait 2 seconds, continue. It will pull up a bunch of different products, and you can check by date. You can filter it by today, this week, uh, your location, and pretty much you want to find an item. Like, you can do any one. This one, for example, 50% off and free shipping. So it's a meat thawing product. So if you click it, anyways, we'll click it, and you can see the description, you can see the video. And as you can see here, you have 8.8 thousand comments, likes, and 15,000 comments. You can go through the comments and get social proof, so testimonials and what customers say. You can also use what the customers say as your copy. You can take what they're saying and turn it into bullet points. Um, a good tip for writing bullet points would be to write like the feature, the benefit, and the benefit of the benefit. So you can be like, the feature, it thaws the meat quickly. The benefit is that you don't have to wait long times. And the benefit of that is that you'll save more time and spend less time in the kitchen. So you can write detailed bullet points like that. But moving on, looking at the description, it's nice and easy. Um, Obviously, it's going viral here. So you got some nice and easy bullet points, two links, um, what's happening, must have, blah, blah, blah. So if you copy this link and add .info to the end of it, it's going to show you how much traffic this bit.ly link actually generated. So as you can see here, they started in November, and they were able to ramp it up to about 500, 600, 700 clicks all throughout November. December is during like the end of quarter 4, the holiday season. So they were getting at a peak 1,000, 2,000 clicks a day. And then it starts to die off today, which is just after Christmas. It seems like they turned their ads off as well. I just discovered this yesterday. I went to take a look at it today, and they're currently not running ads, but they got 36,000 clicks. Yeah, so that's quite the decent traffic. Hopefully, they didn't spend too much money on Facebook. There are ways to make Facebook videos go viral with very little money. You just basically target United States, Australia, um, I believe it's New Zealand, Canada, and the UK, and you leave the targeting pretty much open, and you do like a $5 video view campaign. You find a viral video, and you also do an engagement campaign. You can target people that are interested. Like if it's a viral cat video, you can do viral, like you can target cat interests, and you'll have a better response from the audience, which would then make the video go viral. And you can see if you're getting like 0.001 cent per view, that means it's like scalable. You can just duplicate that and end up spending $25 rather than the $5. So you duplicate it into 5 different ad sets or campaigns, and then for $25 you can reach like 100,000 or even more people. But moving on to the Facebook ads. So if you click their page, and I'll also show you their shop, so you can see this AliExpress, $9. If you want to see their shop, it's very simple. Hopefully it's mobile optimized. So they got Thaw Master, they got $20 for one, $30 for two, and $42 for three. So they're like value stacking it to increase their average cart value. And they got a clean picture and a simple logo. Track my order. They basically have like the AliExpress tracking. Please go to 17track.net. Estimated shipping time 2 to 3 weeks. I just ordered something from AliExpress and it just came in 3 weeks, so that's reasonable. It's a good thing to let the customers know it can take up to 21 days to avoid disappointment, basically. If you go to their page, what's good is that they're sending traffic to the product page rather than the home page, but even their home page is pretty good. It's simple, basic, and it doesn't create like the opportunity for the buyer to get distracted. It just sends them to product 1 or product 2. So product 1, back to the page. Um, this theme seems to be pretty popular. I wouldn't be surprised if it's one of the most common e-commerce themes. Scroll down, you got the product on the left, you got the add to cart button here. The add to cart pops up on the bottom, which is nice. A little bit of a product description here, more photos, some videos, shipping, guarantee, the review plugin, and the add to cart button. So yeah, that's the shop. Here's the AliExpress. Here's the traffic on Bitly. And if you go to their page, you can scroll down on the right hand side and press see more, and then go to ads from this page. Go to ad library, but as you can see, they're not currently running ads, so they might have stopped it, or maybe they weren't running ads at all, which I doubt. But yeah, so that's your product research in a nutshell. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, feel free to subscribe if there's something that you would like to know about e-commerce, digital marketing, Facebook ads, Google ads, anything digital. I can definitely help you. So feel free to comment, and if I get around to it, I'll post a video to help you out. And also, if you comment and like and subscribe, it helps rank the video. So I would appreciate it, and you can help other people um, find out about this video. All right, so cheers.